had a noisy fan on my Big Maxx heater. What I did was I eliminated the fan from contacting the heater box itself. I made a bracket that I attached to the wall, and I hose clamped the motor to it using little stubs of angle iron. First thing I did was measure from the wall to the very center of the motor, knowing how far to place it so it stays right in line. This worked out perfect. There's no noise. The heater is quiet as could be, and it didn't take any parts away from the fan at all. There was no modification to the motor, just a matter of moving it 1.5 inches away from the mounting bolts. As you probably could hear now, the fan is started, or the blower fan, the motor fan. The heater element has come on. It should be a moment and the fan will turn on. I first checked the motor by hand holding it, and there was no vibration at all in the motor or the blade setup. So it was strictly vibrating against the cabinet. And you'll see in a moment here, the fan starts. There is no noise, just a nice hum of the fan. So I think this would fix your any project or any problem you have with your Maxx heater. This is the Maxx Heater 500. The Mr. Heater Big Maxx 500, and I'll tell you, it works perfect. No noise at all. Thank you.